Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by y for the both sides. So this one you got 3x squared, y squared and y in here. Next, we put y multiplied by 2x and 4y to the power of 2. We have 2xy and y to the power of 3. Next, we multiply both sides by dx. Next, I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have dx, so we need to do first the derivative of the function of b with respect to y. So we just have only y squared in here. First the derivative of y squared, you got about 2y. This one we don't have y, so if we do first the derivative, you got about 0. Next, we have dy, so we need to do first the derivative of the function of q with respect to s. So we just have this one in here. First the derivative of s, you got about number 1, so we have 2y. This one we don't have s, you got about 0. If we look carefully, we have 2y, so this one equals to this one. So we can say that's about exact. And now we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration of this one in here plus 3sy. The integration of 3s squared, we will have about s to the power of 3. The integration of y squared, we have sy squared. Next, we need to do first the derivative of the function with respect to y, because we just do the integration by dx, so we need to do first the derivative of the function by dy. This one we don't have y, so you got about 0. This one we have y squared. First the derivative of y squared, we have 2y and we have 2xy. And we know that everything in here equals to this one. We simplify 2xy for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of 4y to the power of 3, we got y to the power of 4. And we put about c in here. Now we return back to this one. We know that the integration of this one in here, we will have about 3sy. And 3sy equal to y to the power of 4. So we change this one into y to the power of 4. Everything in here equals to fxy. And fxy equal to c, that's about the constant. So we can simplify by this way. This is the end. Thank you for watching.